Salut mes amis, bienvenue sur ma chaîne, or as I say in English, hello friends and welcome to my channel, Trying It with Jay. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite recipes I picked up in France. It originates in southern France and it's called Poulet Basquaise. It's a delicious chicken stew made with tomatoes and peppers. It's really good and I can't wait to show you how it's made and hopefully you'll give it a try. Let's get started. For our ingredients, we have 1 medium onion chopped up, 1 bell pepper chopped up, 3 serrano peppers, 3 garlic cloves diced ham, 1 cup of diced tomatoes, chicken, I'm using chicken thighs, and white cooking wine. Alright, so to get started, we have our ingredients already chopped up and ready to go. So our pan has been heated up on medium and I'm just going to put in my chicken thighs because I prefer to use chicken thighs instead of chicken breast. You can use any part of the chicken you want. I used about 3 pieces of chicken thighs with a bone in. And we're just going to cover that up. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes. So our chicken is cooking well. The other parts are cooked, just gonna let it cook a bit more. And so while it's cooking, now we're gonna add in our onions. Pimento peppers. Add peppers in there. Then we're gonna add in our bell peppers. You can just let the chicken cook for about another 15-20 minutes, stirring it occasionally so the bottom doesn't burn or stick, and you just keep an eye on it and just let it cook. The vegetables cook with it and get the fragrance in there. Alright, so now that our chicken and our veggies have been cooking for about 15 minutes now, we're going to add in our ham. You can buy a ham steak and dice it up or cut it into squares. I like to buy the pre-diced one just to save me the extra work. You can add in as much ham as you want. I added about a cup of ham in there, and I'm gonna add in my tomatoes. Alright, now so I'm gonna add in my cooking wine. I'm using about half a cup of cooking wine. You can just start with half a cup. Let it cook and then you can adjust and add a little bit more if you want to, but usually about half a cup does it for this recipe depending on how much you're making. Stir it up. It smells so good already. Cover it up and let it cook for another 15-20 minutes. So here's our final product, served with a side of rice. Doesn't just look amazing. It looks, I cannot wait to dig in. It looks so good and I know it's gonna be delicious. Well, there you have it, friends. Poulet Basquaise from the southwest region of France. Give it a try at home. Leave a comment below if you tried it out. Let me know how it turned out. And if you have any suggestions for what you want me to cook next, leave it below and I'll give it a shot and we can try it out all together. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.